Hello, everybody. The final lesson of this week is if I give you 2 points, can you take that and put it in slope-intercept form? So hopefully you watched yesterday's video because if you don't know how to do yesterday's, today's not going to be so hot. So just like yesterday's, I will give you 2 points. You have to start with finding the slope. Okay. Again, guys, set yourself up for success. What y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Plug that into your calculator, out pops a +2. Great. Okay. Next slide. So if you need to pause the video, please pause the video. Then animation's off. Sorry, that growl was the heart being frustrated with herself. We know the slope was 2 from what we just got. I'm picking the first point. Why do I always pick the first point? Because x1, y1 is first point. Could you use the second point? Yes. But just to help us out, you always bring down y minus. Then the y value of that is 5. Put it in. Equals 2. Then open up a parenthesis, x minus. Now it's -1. Boom. Okay, that's where we got to yesterday. So now today we take this and we put this in slope intercept. So here we go. You distribute. So you're going to multiply. We want it y equals. So here we go. 2 times x is 2x. We bring that down. We bring down y minus 5. 2 times -1 is a -2. Boom. Distribute, multiply that slope by the 2 terms on the inside. Watch your signs. How do we get rid of subtracting 5? We add 5 to both sides. So our final equation is that in slope-intercept form. Beautiful, because then you know that the slope is 2, the y-intercept is 0, 3. Okay, oops, sorry, didn't mean to click ahead. Okay, so it's just building. These are multiple skills happening at once. And boy, isn't it fun. Just lie to me. I know it's fun. I'm having fun. Next example. Again, set yourself up for success. Set up that fraction with the subtraction in the top, subtraction in the bottom. Okay, so then we're going to do y2 minus y1. We have 3 minus a -1. a1 minus 3. So we plug that into our graphing calculator and out pops a -2 for a slope. -2 for a slope. Here we go. All right, so using that, here we go. I picked the first point. Here we go. Let's clean this up. We have y minus -1 equals -2. Bring down the slope. X minus 3. Again, my head should be popping into your head saying, clean it up, clean it up. 2 negatives make a positive. Boom. Okay. All right, now we're going to distribute -2 times x is -2x. -2 times -3. -2 times -3. Where's my little guy? There he is. You got to distribute. Use those arrows because -2 times -3 is +6. All right, and then how do we get rid of adding 1? We have to subtract 1 from both sides, subtract it where it needs to be, and then your equation is y equals -2x plus 5. That's what I want, slope intercept, because now you know the slope is -2, the y-intercept is 5. Okay. Next example. Oh my God, wouldn't that be funny if those end up at the same place? I'm not going to erase them. I want to see. Set yourself up for success. Oh no, it wouldn't anyway, because I have them on 2 different slides. Where'd my trash can go? There it is. Here we go. Y2 minus y1, so we have -2 minus 4. 0 minus -1. Put that in, you get a slope of -6. Okay. So now we know the slope is -6. So I want the first point. So we got y minus, the y value is 4 equals -6. Oh, here we go. We got x minus a -1. Oh, look at me, the audacity of me of not writing it. Remember that it's subtracting a -1. This was the point we used. Why that one went in easy. This one right over here is a negative. Woo, woo, woo. So you would have a double negative here. Okay. Now we distribute. Sound effects, you're welcome. We bring down the y minus 4. -6 times x is -6x. -6 times +1 is -6. How do we get rid of subtracting 4? We add 4 to both sides. So hit enter, and there we go. There's our equation. Look how pretty. Slope intercept. I know the slope is -6. The y-intercept is -2. Love that for us. Okay. Oh, circled in green. Oh, there's my. All right, it's hard to do board work, so go ahead and do the classwork. Again, please ask if you need help. Miss Heart out.